Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Sunnita, are you also one of the people who is afraid of math and afraid of doing any mistakes and afraid of showing your math problems to the other? So let us discuss over this topic. So lot of us people are having math anxiety. Let me tell you what is this. Math and anxiety is an phenomena in which most of the people are starts to afraid and starts to get starts to avoid the math and doing the math, just because they are having any past bad experiences, and because of that they don't showcase their math and used to avoid the math problems. Let me tell you why. Because when you are solving a math, your brain has a portion for that is called work memory. And in that work memory, for those people who are afraid of math, they are having thoughts of making mistakes and what will happen if I do it wrong are happening in their anxious mind. And because of that they can't focus and concentrate on the problem. Even though they are good at math, they didn't used to it because they are having a math anxiety in your brain. So they find an escape which is to avoid math and having hating, and they starts to hating math. So this is linked to the very past experience that you are having, which is very bad about for solving math or having a strict math teacher. So you can do math, you just have to stay calm during that solving. And if you do any mistakes, just accept it and do it again. You don't that you are going to evaluate that. And if somebody else is going to evaluate that, just don't feel that every math problem is that much hard. Just put your everything in it, like, and solve it with a calm mind. Let me tell you, I am also having math anxiety and I'm not good at that much as math, but I have seen that I can solve math problems. But I usually used to avoid those math problems because I have a very bad math experience. I'm not that fast in calculation, so usually people solve that questions before me. So I'm solving, I don't get usually correct answers. So I usually don't start the question now, and I'm having math anxiety now. And to avoid it, I'm practicing math problems on my own for a certain period of time, and I'm starting to notice now that I'm getting good at maths, which is I'm already was, but I'm not taking that as seriously and having bad thoughts while I'm doing the math. So that's it for today. Thank you.